Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about partial fractions. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about partial fractions. So I will put capital A over s plus 2 and capital B over s minus 1 to the power of 2 because this is about the single power. So on numerator should be about b, and then because we have the power 2, we need to another fraction in here that should be about s minus 1. We reduce 1 unit of power when we go in here. Next, we need to do about common denominator. About a, we need to multiply by s minus 1 to the power of 2. About b, we need to multiply by s plus 2 because we have s minus 1 square in here. So then we can return back to this one in here. About c, we need to multiply by s minus 1 because this is about s minus 1 square. However, we have s minus 1 right now. So we need to multiply another s minus 1 and then we go to s plus 2. And now in here, that should be in here. Now we need to expand this one. And this one. Now we need to arrange based on the term of s. So we have a plus c. About s, we have negative 2a plus b plus c. About nothing, we have a plus 2b minus 2c. Now we compare coefficient. We have s squared, that's about number 1. So a plus c equals to number 1. We don't have s in here. So that means this one should be equal to number 0. About this one we have number 3. So a plus 2c minus 2c, 2b minus 2c equals to number 3. So we create the system of equations. Now we need to find the solution of ABC. So we have 8 equal to 7 over 9, B equals to 4 over 3, C equals to 2 over 9. Now we need to put solution of ABC, go in here. A is 7 over 9, B is 4 over 3, C is about 2 over 9. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have 7 over 9, and we have ln of the absolute value of s plus 2. For this one, we will have about negative 4 over 3. And we have s minus 1 in here. The next one we have 2 over 9 ln of the absolute value of s minus 1, and we put about c in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.